Check it out, yo.
I just can't do it.
Oh my God.
I want God,
Mr. June. Now what for the
I
ladies?
just can't do it.
Mommy, did it.
Ooh, you done give me attitude. Where I don't know what I do.
Yes. Now those were our first 3 music videos, and if that's anything to go by,
Oh
it's gonna
my
be a lit
goodness.
show, right?
Come on, always
Yeah.
and always is lit. We've got you guys covered right here on MX
Of course. Now, as we go on, we're going to give out social media handles. You can talk to us, stay interactive, ask us questions, ask them questions, you know.
And you too. He's
What I
a
want
celebrity,
you guys to do is interview us as much as we interview you. Now, you don't get that anywhere.
It's
So
true.
ask us questions. DJ Vorosky on social media, MissDrew_, and I am Jason LA. So
Jason LA, because he makes music,
yeah,
guys.
you know,
He's an artist.
Yeah, you know. But we have something coming up.
Yes, right now we're about to get into another segment of the show now. Because here we do things differently, we're about to have a battle. We got 2 underground artists. We give you guys the opportunity to showcase your talent on our amazing platform. So coming up, we've got 2 guys. We're gonna, team up. It's gonna be Jason against Drew, red corner and blue corner.
Oh, so you're gonna pick and I'm gonna pick.
Yes, of
Okay,
course.
that's cool.
And
My
then we're
guy's
going to
gonna
see who's supporting. So that's why we need you guys to continue to get interactive on all of our social medias. But, Varosky, bring them on with a beat.
Okay, sure.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Okay,
Like
so
this flag.
before we get to the music, right?
Yes.
This was like a big surprise to me. She told me we're gonna pick who's gonna represent us.
So
Basically.
you're going to pick a team house. Well, right now, this
Oh,
is
she let
you.
them pick.
Red corner, blue corner.
Oh, we picked already.
We picked.
Okay, we picked already. We picked already.
So
Now-
don't embarrass me.
Oh, don't worry.
I got you.
Yeah, look, my guy looks fly. Look at my guy. He looks so fly.
Listen. Don't judge a book by its cover, all right?
That's
Come
that's
on,
true. That's
come
true. But it's a
on.
different kind of book. Now, the thing is, on most shows, it's difficult to get on the show, on the platform. Now, myself, MissDrew and DJ Vorosky want to make it easy for you guys. So send us DMs, get in our comments, mention artists, your favorite artists who are not as out there as much, and we're going to try our best to get them on the show because this is the most interactive show on TV, right?
Come on, you already know that. We are giving you guys the opportunity. So our Instagram on all of our social medias is MX24GH. Send a message over there, or again, like Jason said, personally. But why don't we have a chat with our guest for today? Starting with you. What's your name? Where are you from?
My name is YAD. YAD.
Sorry, slowly.
My name is YAD.
YAD.
Yao
What does that mean?
Ampon Sadako.
Yo,
Okay.
man, that sounds so
I'm a
foreign.
typical Ghanaian guy. So
Yeah.
That sounded so foreign. I thought
Yeah.
it was, Charlie, y'all what?
Yao Ampon Sadako.
I know I ain't the yard, though.
Yeah. Are you done with your guy?
Okay.
Are you done with your guy?
Go on. Introduce.
Yeah, now this guy, one of the best rappers in the whole
Hey,
Ghana.
you haven't
That's how I
even spoken to
introduce.
him before.
What's I haven't met him before? Anyways, shall I introduce yourself, man?
My name is Tellem025. Tellem T-E-L-L-E-M.
You heard the name?
Eesh.
That's like first round done. You're done with your first round. Now, Vorosky, before we do get to this, you've witnessed a lot of battles.
Yeah.
Today, you are our judge for
Yes, I
today.
am.
What are you expecting from these two?
So, I want bars, I want rhyme schemes, I
Okay.
want punchlines,
rhymes,
I want
punchlines.
creativity. So, I mean, Charlie Yard, YAD, and the other name is?
Tell him.
Tell what?
Yeah,
Tell
we
him.
telling
Tell
him.
them. Tell
Tell
him.
him.
Hey,
Hey,
Charlie,
we're
telling
telling
we're
them.
sorry, bro.
Yeah,
Tell us.
yeah.
I mean, I
Wow.
just expect the best from them, Charlie.
Yeah,
Let's
nice
just kill
one.
it.
All right,
So,
so we're
okay.
judging for creativity,
Bars, punchlines.
punchlines. Ooh.
Yeah, so we're going to give them the stage one by one. Ladies first.
Okay, all right, I'm ready for this. Team Drew, don't let me down. Don't worry. Don't embarrass me.
I've got you covered.
All right, cool. So
Yeah,
the
tell
two-
him. We telling them? Yeah, we telling them. Now, okay,
Right,
you
the
guys.
both of you go to
yeah.
the set, face each other. Let's make this a proper
Yeah,
life.
let's make this a battle.
I'm gonna be next to
let's,
you.
Let's make this a battle.
All right,
Now, what we're
cool.
going to do is we have 3 rounds, right? And DJ Vorosky is going to drop a beat. You guys are going to work on the same beat, first hand. So
You got this.
whenever you're ready, tell him.
Got this.
Tell him.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Uh,
Yard. for C. Listen, see. I am Yawan Ponsadako, you can simply call me Yad. Me and Bassa Bat, me no Charlie, I be hard. You can compare me to stone, but I'm something more than that. Me yo nyanko pon ba, of course I bet the same name jar. Just in case you know the bab. What I mean is I'm a god, I'm not ordinary. Sorry mommy, but I have to rap. This is not what you wish for me, sake of money, no the house. In Pembebre Woody Yow, send me by a police soldier, not teach and carry how. Ha, wait for my success, money go manifest in your sack. Have a story for the world, I know say one day you be proud. Beaming the nation to shatter every movement, which is whack. That is what I'm called for, that is what this music is about. I can't promise perfection, but I know go give you doubts. If it's not the good music, be the judge to rule it out. Violence, profanity, all of it is vanity. Music should be saying something what helping humanity, touching deep your souls, energizing your ability. My music is a therapy. If King Soul inspiration someday you're top, it will set you free. Hope you get the picture. You can call it rap photography.
Okay.
Rap photography, I like it.
Okay, Veraski, there was no time limit to that. I hope you're not giving Tellem time limit.
No, it was 1 minute.
It was
Tellem 1 minute is cool, right?
On the dot. Okay, all right.
My boy's like sure. He's like sure.
All right, let's
Like
do
he's
this.
sure.
We'll see.
Yeah. Tellem025. The guy flow so nap, you listen up, hey, say. Nobody go take away for here. Now open falado do wash down my shot in the beer. So what can you find here? And your boga no beer. What dream bonnet obi abe who you Sunday chase my dear. Pillow low ya fobe minti ya den a wusu. Ya fewo Rex. Oh now she on pona mi huso. Me old flow na kwese plant a fe na mi gugusu. Ibi evergreen, timeless. Word ben a mi use to take. My stainless flow no detergent. It be so clean. I keep it clean. It's mboni wa hunting na ya to do. Jimmy D me bre me moje ni ma sweat ya Jimmy D me say me D na ta wutumpo mi nibi. Thomas into YAD, make you any me speedy up. Left a max in the dark, but you once and give you gab and rest the rest and take care. I'm sleeping off, I need a guard. I can't boom myself, I'm mad. Musha Kotra work limit tax. I don't keep food baby, you're bad. Whoa, lizard rapper, over I'm pressing. I know for those September freestyle, they sound interesting. Your rapid streets from an opanko, your exhibition wine. For open a chain, they say, your petite production. So make a lay back in a Maybach or we card like a chalk. Make a pull up and send him or we card on a shop.
No cheating. That's right. All right.
Are we done?
Oh my goodness. Round 1, guys, that was just a warm-up, okay? We're warming up. Round 2, I need you guys to show each other why you are better than him and why you are better than him. Team YAD, I'm a day for you.
A day for you.
What do you think for you? Come on.
This is just round 1. Let's just
It's the warm-up.
Because I think you guys should go hard at round 2, Charlie. Let's just show
Tell
what
him.
we've got. Yeah?
Okay, tell him. Straight up.
Hey, let me see that
Shake it
pep
up.
So,
I
tell
know
them
you
you're
got
starting
this.
this round.
All right.
Let's do this.
Eesh.
One time, Tellem025. The guy flow so nice. Listen up, hey. Tay, my man for beating into from meeting go Sagama. Your Bobby the Macade make some niggas serve the shiver. Yana me pese ye 2 point. Cause Uganda, but all the same for be cool. Cause you Frigana, Mbebo yo Coco, Akebo no Ji Wakanda. Ufite mi Kafina Kanya Lo Secure for Rasta. I rush control me the Senya Yakasa. Malacha Kakadi, I'm not a love doctor. Love is so blind, if you with your eyes open. Men know what to say body house and the Gary Shokins. That be why they your skin as a body lotion. On a love ways they grow, always in emotion TA. Your mata be my mata if your mata be my mata, then your baka be my baka. Or if you make a film and a journey anopa, they send the music and never take a oma depa. I said I miss yo, your mata be my mata, if your mata be my mata, then your baka be my baka. Or if you make a film and a journey anopa, they send the music and never take a oma depa. Say oh.
I mean, give credit, right? Okay.
My guy hasn't started yet. Okay.
Yeah, are you ready?
Yeah,
I'm ready.
Let's do
Let's
this.
go.
Listen, see. Until you ever ask, you will never know. Abrabo no be something you feel take him as a joke. Life is not a race, but you would have to boat. Cause you can't afford to stay behind. You would have to flow. Like the waters in the mountains, you would have to flow. Some people choose the fast way, others take it slow. I'm saying life yeah precious, precious as gold. Ebimu say a year so cold, ice and snow. To the rich it be dope, cause they have a lot to show. To the poor it be broke, cause they can't afford to cope. Is that really the end point? Some believe it so. Others don't believe, so they say it's never known. If you ask me, I'm a Christian, the Bible say man.
Alright.
No, but yeah, it wasn't even 1 minute. Why did you stop?
Because he already spat too much
Yo.
fire.
No, I'm not.
He's spat too much fire. I needed you guys
I'm
to
not
take
tired.
it in.
I'm not tired at all.
Calm down.
But the point is I missed the
Calm
mic.
down. Varsky, we done? We can go home now?
Hey.
We done?
I think
Show's
this
over?
done.
We done? We done?
I think
Listen,
this done. Well,
relax.
why did you stop?
Because the fire was too much. You
The
needed
bars
you guys
finished,
to
the
take
bars
it in.
finished.
They didn't
Short
finish.
bars.
You give me
They
10,
didn't finish.
10 minutes, I do give you.
Yeah,
Understand?
All right. Vareski, how did you feel about this round?
I'll just reserve my comments for the last round.
Nice.
Let's just do
Okay,
this. I mean, round 3. Let's do this right now.
So now the thing is, Vareski, on round 3, we want to give them a word. Me and Miss Drew were discussing, right? And guys, this wasn't my idea. I'm the nice one on the show.
It's a lie.
This was not my idea.
It's a lie.
This was her idea. So we give them a word, and they
Okay.
start with the rap, right?
The rap is going to be about this particular thing, the two of you. I want you to rap about Killer Willie. The two of you. You got this. I know you got this.
You see that even one who the even on the show is. How do you pick Kelly Willie for 2 rappers who are freestyling? Who does this?
You can do it.
Yeah, are you ready?
Yeah.
This one is a terror one. Let's do this one.
Hey, kill it with the plan. Hey,
Okay. Tell him it's cool. Tell
Hey.
him it's cool.
kill it, Willie.
You got this, boo-boo.
See, are you ready for this? See, if you wanna be a star, you better start embracing darkness. That's the only way people would even know you shine it. Don't be scared, say your prayers, go ahead, look for answers. There's no way to trace your success if you can't be bold enough. Stand and fight away your problems. Get deep with me, yes, say attempt to kill a skill, then attempt to succeed is success. Let's just be real, life is full of sacrifices. Go out there and make a deal. Doesn't matter what it is, once it's good, you chop a meal. Yesterday is gone, another day has come. Brother man, a kinata, go out for life is shusha for itself. Don't poverty the chance. God it bless, God it bless. Only when you use your hands, it is so. Rain a cock, baby be yo. Now
Yeah. See,
Okay.
Kelly Willie. Kelly Willie.
But I didn't hear me Killer Willie, but
All right, let's
it's
just-
fine. But you're
all
talking
right.
about chopping, so.
You just have to leave that for me. Let me decide. Let
Okay,
me decide. All right,
okay.
tell him. Are you ready?
Okay.
Yeah,
Are you
man.
ready to tell them
Yeah,
something?
we're ready.
Okay, let's
Yeah,
do
man.
this.
He's ready.
Hey, Tellem025. Yo, the guy flow so nice. Oh, Kelly Willie, Awula, Ofane, Ba, Sha, O, Willie.
Hey.
Tonight, if I chop this thing where I catch you, no cap, see, you go Billy.
Okay.
Tellem025, no they talk, but this boy, he come here to play.
Hey.
You figure say we they come joke me, as I they come, my mind was play, plenty. Charlie, I know they come joke for here. You them say can rap about Kelly Willie, you they talk play. What they do, you bugger, open your eyes, you know they hung. They way me at the hunger, they won't blow, so I know they can't play Kelly Willie. I will about Shawele, I go give you rap, Moro, you go tell Lele. If you freestyle, if I do mistakes, I take that shit
okay.
off my rap, I no plan, I'm ready, I come, Yo, Tellem025.
You're showing off. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Everybody love him.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Whoa.
Wait, Jason.
I never
Wait.
experimented.
Wait, let me say this.
Can I say
Wait,
something?
no, wait. I'm coming.
Okay, Kelly Willie.
I'm coming. Wait. But Miss Drew, I thought he was your guy. I thought he was your guy. Why are you
Listen.
rooting for? Tell him.
Listen.
Yeah?
Listen. He's still my guy,
Uh-huh.
but plantain is the way to my heart.
You what?
Killer Willie is the way to my heart, and he sold it to me more.
Rah,
Sorry.
rah, rah, rah.
But it looks, yeah. It looks like you have something to tell us. What's up?
Yeah, you know, in fact, I'm a rapper.
Yeah, you
In fact, I'm the best rapper in Ghana. I'm the best rapper in
Yeah.
Ghana.
He said what he said.
Irrespective of whatever happened today, you know, I'm coming right away from the hospital.
This is all about the love. This is all about rap.
Yes.
This is all about having fun.
Yes.
Let me just say this right now. You're
I
a
mean-
dope MC, but you to explain. Listen, you to explain. I mean, for me, from the battle that just happened,
Yeah.
right from round 1 to round 3, Tellem killed it. Did you get it?
That's
I mean,
right.
He killed it, and that's it. I mean,
Okay,
I think you
okay,
need to go
okay.
back and
Okay,
go
okay.
and rehearse and just come back. Charlie,
Okay.
'cause-
Alright,
Okay,
so-
now yeah,
so-
don't worry.
Respect.
It's all respect. It's all love.
It's all love.
Yeah, it's
All
all
right,
love.
Tell
It's
him,
all
tell him.
love.
You Give
Yeah.
us a speech. Give us a speech. Your
Tell
winning
him, tell him,
speech.
tell him something.
And your
Tell him
final
something.
freestyle.
Fellow Ghanaians, fellow Tellem squad. Charlie, you guys know I'm always supposed to make you proud so that you keep supporting me. It's me once again here, Charlie, making you guys proud. So watch out, more things they come.
Wow. You know
Gang
what?
signs, gang signs.
It's only
gang
right.
signs.
It's only right. Varoski, drop another beat. Tell him your final freestyle, your thank you freestyle, my friend. You just stand
Yeah,
here.
now, guys, before we go to the freestyle, I'm not making any promises, but one thing is for sure. When you come on the show, you just might impress DJ Varoski that much to work with him. You never know. You never know. So when you do come here, give it your best, give
Everything.
100%. And I think every time I'm going to pick between the artists. I like this. I like this.
But remember,
Yeah.
guys, if you are watching and you feel like you have what it takes and you feel like you can, be better than whatever you've just seen, send us a message, send us a DM, MX24GH on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, whatever. And you never know, you can always be here next. But right now, Tellem025, drop the beat. Let's go.
Hey,
Hey,
Tellem025. The guy flows so nice. Yo, listen, say, my name be Tellem, I be hip-hop-afrobeat recording artist. But if I bought tell me where I no feel visit, I be hard, I feel be soft, neck as I checking me teases. Translating all my wishes, yo man, I'm versatile, boy get style, no be regular. Me this emerging me din, chachuti kata fitten up your word. Same time, boy to mendula. Me coming one to me do me ja. I say baby wine up, it be your body where they light up. And then me know me no see ever my light off. Hands up, quick power up your toe make you tap top. Forget it baby G, it take your back top. Hands up, from the back to the belly top. Push it in, make it pile like pump oh. Follow me for social media and be some sedentia. Tellem025 waha. Hey, one time thing.
Yes. Now, before you guys go, your social media handles,
Yeah.
where people can find you, right?
My name is YAD YAD for short. In fact, if you want to see more of me,
Yeah.
just go on Instagram, go on Twitter, go to Facebook, and you find me there. More vibe,
Nice.
sensible.
Please
nice to the
keep
world.
supporting him, right? That's
We
what we're
love
here
it.
to do. Show love so these guys express themselves. My guy isn't feeling too well, but next time he's going to kill it. Tell him where can we find you on social media, man?
Yeah, so check me out on Instagram, Tellem025. On Twitter, it's Tellem025. Twitter, Tellem025. Facebook, Tellem025.
Yeah, go and
that's all.
support. Miss B.
I got something fresh out for you guys. For the road, it's out on YouTube, Audio Max,
Nice.
SoundCloud, everywhere. So just check it out.
Nice.
Love it.